enhancing the UX of fitness app by integrating personalized workout plans for individual goals and needs. Hey y'all, what's up everyone? Today is our day 3 of our 100 Days of UX Challenge. Our day 3? No, today is our day 6 of our 100 Days of UX Challenge. So first we define the fitness app. They are more than step counters or calorie trackers. They are your pocket personal trainers, motivating and guiding you to smash your goals. So these are basically features of a fitness app which will guide us in the production of our final product. Workout tracking, beginner plan, premium routines, progress tracking, and nutritional advices. Now comes our design process. In first phase, which is also called research phase, we have defining the idea, conducting market research, and making user stories. In the second phase, which is also called development phase, we have making the prototype, making wireframes, and making user flows. Starting with the research phase, first we are defining the idea, which in this case is enhancing the UX of fitness app by integrating personalized workout plans for individual goals and needs. Next, we have a couple of user stories. So our first user is Emily, who is a beginner fitness enthusiast. Emily wants to start a fitness routine, but she is overwhelmed by all the options and unsure where to begin. She needs workouts which can match her fitness levels and goals. Our next user is Alex, which is an enthusiast gym goer. Alex wants to take his fitness to the next level with specific strength and muscle building goals. So he needs a workout plan to challenge himself effectively. Our next user is Sarah, which is a busy professional, and she wants to be fit despite of her busy schedule. She needs a fitness app which adapts itself with quick and effective workouts. Next, on to market research. So I have 3 apps which I've done market research on. First is Fitbit, Nike, and MyFitnessPal. So the exceptional features for Fitbit are integration with wearable devices, personalized plans, guided workouts, and progress tracking. Exceptional features for Nike Training Club are plans by pro trainers, vast workout galleries, adaptive recommendations, and Apple Watch integration. Exceptional features for MyFitnessPal are comprehensive workout and nutritional tracking, personalized plans, extensive exercise and recipe database. With this research, we've understood user pain points, preferences, and behaviors. Now let's jump into creative part and make something spicy.
A typical user flow for creating a personalized fitness plan in a fitness app involves several key steps. Here's an outline of the user journey from initial app interaction to the creation of a personalized workout plan. 1. First is app installation and account creation, which is illustrated in this screen. The user downloads the fitness app from an app store and installs it on their device. Then they create an account, providing basic information like email, username, and password. Some apps offer the option to sign in with social media accounts or Google/Apple IDs. Then on the fitness app screen, there would be an option for the creation of a personalized fitness plan, which is shown here. Then there's a conform screen for getting started with the analyzation of fitness traits. From here our first test started, which includes nothing much, but basically your health information. Then our real set of questions starts, in which our first question is this. Then another very important question, which is any limitations the user could have while working out. And this question plays a very important step in building the whole fitness plan. From this section, we will determine the capacity of the user to bear the workout. If we've skipped this section, then the algorithm might craft the solution which is not up to the level or too much for the user. Then we have another question, which is this. Capacity of the user to do basic activities like planks, squats to determine knee mobility, and have a look at the pickup line to make the user blush and make them feel them good, hey. Knee jumps to determine stamina. Then there's processing screen. Then the final screen, which shows the planning FO the fitness plans crafted for them.
So this was the final design which solves the problem pretty much alone for the first draft. And there you have it, folks. A killer fitness app feature that balances simplicity and advanced features. Thanks for tuning in today's 6, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for tagging along. Bye-bye. And wait, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.